Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the KMPlayer download page. Step 2. Click on the Download KMPlayer button to start the download process. Step 3. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the downloaded file is saved. Step 4. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Step 5. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Step 6. Click Next to continue with the installation process. Step 7. Read and accept the terms and conditions by clicking on the checkbox and then click Next. Step 8. Choose the destination folder where you want to install KMPlayer or leave the default setting and click Next. Step 9. Choose the components you want to install and click Next. Step 10. Select the additional tasks you want to perform and click Next. Step 11. Click Install to begin the installation process. Step 12. Wait for the installation process to complete. Step 13. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Step 14. Launch KMPlayer from your desktop or Start menu and start enjoying your favorite multimedia content. That's it.